3 million people. If 3 million people linked arms, you could make a human bridge from Cardiff to New York. That is quite a lot of people, and that's how many of us lot Welsh Water look after in their work every year. One of the most important aspects of their work is maintaining water quality. For us, the 3 million. Right, let's break this down.
This is a typical cast iron main that we could find in many areas. We deal with a lot of infrastructure that could be in excess of 70 years of age. As you can see, you get a lot of corrosion that builds up over time. Now, as flows of water or velocities change within the pipe, that can sometimes lift that and cause discoloured water for our customers. That can impact things like washing your dishes and staining clothes, which can be a real issue for our customers. So it's something we're looking to manage through the pipeline refurbishment programme.
So Welsh Water have started to send these big community vans out where they're working in your area. So if you see one of these big vans in your community, come over, say hello to someone like Natalie. Hi Natalie.
Hiya.
And find more out about the work.
So now you want to replace these pipes with these pipes, all in order to make sure the water looks and tastes great. If this is something that you want Welsh Water to focus even more on in future, let them know by answering a few questions in their consultation. It'll literally take you less than 4 minutes to do. And you can win some really cool water-related prizes in the process. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow Welsh Water's pages online to see where I'm going to be heading over the next few weeks.